Welcome back, everybody. So has anybody ever wanted a smokestack on their diesel pickup, but they just don't want to drill that hole in the bed that's forever going to be there? Well, I got a solution for you today. I just thought of this, and in my mind, it's gold. So let's check it out. I have 25 feet of aluminum dryer vent, a couple straps to hold her in place, a crutch to hold it upright, for looks, of course, and then a screwdriver and a hose clamp. Before we get started, shout out to Daily Truck Fix, #1 truck page on the gram. Go check it out, give us a follow. Let's get her done, boys. Okay, so once you have it all secured in the back, you're going to want to throw this over the side of the truck, mainly so you can shut your tailgate. If you guys don't like to run a tailgate, just take it off. Then, what we're going to do, this is the hard part. You slide this right over your exhaust tip. As far as it goes. Then what you're going to want to do, take your flathead, tighten up your hose clamp. Alright, nice and secure. Now if you guys wanted to make it look a little flashier, I know I said you're not going to put a hole in the bed, but you can always run a hole through the tailgate, run this pipe through there, and then right up the top. So we're going to get this thing started up. We're going to show you how much better it's going to make your diesel truck and how much coal you can pump straight up in the air instead of wasting it on the ground. So let's get it. So, it looks like the video is going to be a little short today. I did not plan for this. I think I gave her too many beans, and I finally realized why nobody runs this setup 100% of the time on their daily drivers. Looks like it blew apart a little bit. Now, if you do want a daily drive with this setup on, it wouldn't be that hard. You just got to get some duct tape, probably. Something strong, wrap the whole pipe in it, and that would probably reinforce it enough to make it work for you. I should have enough to maybe give her a second go. We'll see if that happens. I got to bring her back to phase 1, redesign the blueprint and whatnot. But make sure to subscribe for more. Make sure to give this video a big old like. Thanks for watching.